Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beanie. I hope you like this one as you like the other ones. You can see my beanies tutorial, head tutorial is here now. I use this yarn. It's a chunky yarn and I use 6mm crochet hook with this. It's 170 meters and one ball of yarn is will be enough for the woman size. If you are ready, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. I prepare a part like that. Now I will show you how I made this one. It's multiples of 5. We will make chains multiples of 5. I start with 50 chain and it's 8 inch from here and 9 inch from there. I made 30 rows and it's adult size. Now I will show you with a little sample. I will just make a slip knot first and chain multiples of 5. As I say, I will make a little sample, so I complete my chains and take this side. Be careful about not to twist it. Insert your hook from that first chain. Take the yarn and make a slip stitch. Now I will make single crochets, chain 1, and as I always make it, I will turn my chain and I will make single crochet into that back bumps. As you see, this is the first one. I insert my hook here. Just take the yarn and pull it through from that loop. Yarn over and pull it through from both loops. That's our first single crochet. And I will keep doing like that. Just complete my single crochets and turn. I complete my 25 single crochet, and as I said before, you can just measure your head or you can search from Google the head's measurements and just chain multiples of 5. That's an easy pattern, so I choose to show you like that. Insert your hook from that first stitch you made. Take the yarn, make a slip stitch, and we join these two parts together like that. Just chain 1 and we will make single crochets again, but only back loop. This is our first stitch. Just 1, 2, 3 and 4 back loop, only single crochet. Into that 5th one, we will make single crochet into that single crochet, not this single crochet stitch, not here, into here. I will insert my hook, take the yarn and make a single crochet like that. First ones always the hard ones, so don't worry if you didn't make it correctly. You will make. Okay, now we will make 1, 2, 3, 4 back loop only single crochet, and into that 5th one I will insert my hook into that single crochet. Take the yarn, make a single crochet. 4 back loop only, and the 5th one is like that. I will just keep doing like that and make it 2 more times. Now I'm at the last one. I will make it like this, and I will join from this first stitch but back loop only. Okay, chain 1, make a single crochet in the same space, make 3 more, and I will make single crochet into that single crochet. I will insert my hook into that single crochet and take the yarn, make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again. Make this single crochets loosely. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make it like that. And I came to the end, make 1 more, and join from this first stitch back loop only. Chain 1, make 4 back loop only single crochet, and make a single crochet like that. We will just make the same thing for all the rows, and I made it like that. Now we will make decreases and close the penis top. It's chain 1, and we will make 2 single crochet together. Insert my hook from this back loop and take a yarn like that, and from the second back loop just take a yarn over and complete them together. That's a single crochet, 2 single crochet together, and I will make it 1 more time, just 1 and 2 complete them together. I will make here same and make it one more time. That's 1 and 2. I will keep doing like that for all the row. Then see you. I complete this row. I will join from this first stitch. Oops. Chain 1 and I will make a single crochet and one more. I will make here same and make 2 single crochet back loop only. I make here 2 back loop only single crochet. Just keep doing like that. Complete this row. I'm at the end of the row. Join from here. Just chain 1 and we will make a 1 more decrease row. Insert my hook here and take a yarn. Insert at the next and take a yarn. Just complete them together. And we have only 1 single crochet here now. Make it like that and make it decrease. Make a single crochet, a decrease, and just complete this row. I complete this one too and join from this stitch, chain 1 and make a back loop only single crochet. Make a single crochet into that single. Make a back loop only. And make this one a back loop only single crochet. Just complete this row. And we came to the last row. I will insert my hook here and make a slip stitch, chain 1 and I will start from here. Now just skip here, make a single crochet, skip here, make a single crochet, skip here. I will just collect this single crochets. And that's the last one. I will join from the first stitch and just cut the yarn. Take a yarn needle. I will use a pom-pom, so I won't turn this to the wrong side. I will sew it like that. Just close here. I will give the yarn inside and hide the tail. And for the last thing, I will add the pom-pom. I made a video about how to make a pom-pom with pom-pom maker. And I will make with cartoons. No, cardboards. Yes, in Turkish it's karton. I will show you how I made this with the cardboards soon. You can just find the pom-pom maker video here. I will just make a tie and hide these tails too. I hope you like this beanie too. I like it very much. It seems so soft and cozy. If you want to ask me something about this beanie or anything you want, you can just leave the comments. And you can reach me on my Instagram address. It's Siri's Crochet. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. I'll just try to make my channel bigger and wait for your support. Thanks for watching me this day too, and hope to see you again. Have a nice day.